to start off, I use, and I swear by this moisturizer, it's by Charlotte Tilbury. It's Charlotte's Magic Cream, which is super light and super easy to apply. I like putting a lot of it on my cheekbones, so it gives me that automatic highlighting effect. Yeah, but basically put on your T-zone. I've already done that, so I'm not going to put too much of it. Okay, now you can either enhance your eyes or your lips. I'm a really lazy person when it comes to going back home and removing my makeup. So the reason why I'm telling you that I love putting bright pop colored lips is so that I don't have to go home and take off all that dark eye makeup. Also, being summer, I think it's great to get a little bit of color, you know, on your face, in your attire and everything. So that's the reason why I'm going to go for pop lips. As you can see here, I don't know if they're going to pan down, but I'll pick out a few of my favorite lip colors which are great for the day. They're all shades of pink. I love pink. And this one is by Marc Jacobs. It's like a little crayon, but it's a lovely pink. It's a little dry on applying because it's a matte finish, but it gives you long lasting quality. So okay, this is a trick my mom told me. She said always put your lipstick and then take out a little bit once and then put it again, so you get that long last effect. So there we go. For those who don't have evened out skin tone, I would suggest the MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder, because again, you want to keep it easy, and I think because of the weather and being super humid, it's better to use something that's a little powdery rather than creamy. So now if you don't want to do lips like this, if you want to keep it tinted, which is another thing I really love doing, I'm going to remove this. I only remove my makeup with Johnson baby oil. It's so easy, it's so light on the face. I'm going to remove my lips right now with this. Okay, now instead of a really pop color, you want to look a little more natural and not too in your face, then of course you have many lip tints. The Benefit lip tint is really good, but this is one of my most favorite lip tints. I can't even pronounce the name of it. It's called Chateau Labiote. I have no idea, it's too fancy for life, but it is amazing. It comes in these really cute wine, they're called wine lip tints, and they come in these wine bottles. I have several colors, but these ones are really dark, and this is a beautiful day shade of pink. It's similar to the Benefit, and I like the smell and taste of it. You don't even need to apply too much. The lip tint kind of just seeps in. Give it a minute and you'll see. Oh, it tastes really good. And it's a shade of pink, but if you like to go in the oranges shades, then I love the Cha Cha tint from Benefit. Maybe we can just mix it. I also love mixing my lip colors. I think
it's very important to moisturize, and that's something that I sort of swear by, because dry skin would never really glow no matter what you do, no matter how much makeup you put. And I think it's very important to also put sunscreen. I think that's something that I never forget, because we sometimes don't realize, because it's not something that has an immediate effect right now, but in the long run you don't even realize how much sun affects your skin. And especially we as actors are shooting in the sunlight, even the studio light, in fact, really is very, very harmful for the skin.
I love to see when women take interest and take keen efforts to kind of make themselves look well turned out. What you can do is just eat right, drink a lot of water, and sometimes just listen to yourself, what your body needs at that point of time.
Good genes. Eating well. I think it's very important to eat because there is only so much that makeup can do in terms of if you have the inner glow, it just makes the makeup artist's job easier, and then hire good makeup artists. You know, I have to be very honest and say that I'm actually very lazy with any kind of skin beauty ritual. But I do one thing. The one thing I do is just take out all my makeup before sleeping and moisturize a whole lot.
So I always start off with my hair first because your hair, while you're doing your hair, you tend to sweat, so you don't want your base to move. So I'm going to start with my hair. So follow the lead. This is what I normally do when I'm in a hurry maybe, or I just feel like getting my hair off my face. You don't even need a comb to do this. I'm just going to show you. All I need is a rubber band, a few bobby pins and hairspray. So this is how I do it. I do a low ponytail first. Followed by a little bit of voila, I'm ready. I love my hair like this. So the thing is, when you use a sponge, what you tend to do is it settles into the pores of your skin, so it tends to look heavier. So just use a sponge around your eyes, and for the rest of the face try and use a brush if possible, because that just spreads and it doesn't settle into your skin. So by the end of it, when you powder your skin and everything, you obviously do your makeup an hour in advance, like before an event. You take time to get there. Okay then. And never ever forget your neck. If you like this video,
Like and subscribe to Pinkvilla.
And comment on Pinkvilla.
I better see you guys there.